Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, LSP, and we are coming to you from my sister's kitchen, making the cornbread recipe that Mama Ray asked us to make. So, the next thing you'll see is my sister getting ready to make Southern style hot water cornbread. I'll see you in a bit. So, what do you do to start off?
I'm just heating up some water on the stove in an average size pan of what I think of how many pieces I'd like to make.
Okay.
So while it's doing that, I'm just coming over and I'm just thinking of how many. I say like almost a half a cup makes 2 to 3 pieces. I'm only gonna eat, I don't know, one of them comes up maybe 10 pieces. So this was almost full, so I'd say I brought it down to almost half. That's the smallest Martha White. It don't matter if it's plain or if it is the meal mix.
Okay.
I'm just getting it settled there.
So you said like 2 to 3 pieces in a cup?
In half a cup.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's going to swell up. So all I want is let the water go hot. Got this sitting and waiting.
Okay.
And once it gets hot, I'll pour it in and give it a few minutes to wait. And once the water gets hot, I'm going to go ahead and put the vegetable oil in here. You can use canola or whatever is your choice, but I'm going to put that in there as soon as this water goes hot so this can start heating up. Then I'm going to wait for that hot water to go into there and cool off just enough where I can handle it. Then I'm going to go in.
Okay.
This will probably hold about 5 to 6 pieces.
Okay.
Both saturated, but I do want it to cover the bottom.
Water's boiling, so you start getting the oil ready.
I got that about on the 27 and a half.
Okay.
Because I'd already had it kind of heating up at first.
Got your meal in your pan, waiting for that, so.
Yep. So I'm going to bring it over. Pour it in. I don't want it oversaturated. If it's oversaturated, that means I need more meal. If it's not, it need more water because it's not wet, but it's starting to get its way. I guess it. So I'm just looking at. Yes, it's gonna get there. As soon as I can not take as much effort, you know, to stir it around.
Okay.
This needs more water, but not much. There go my salt. It's enough to give it a taste. I want this to be a little wet. I already feel that that's heating up. Got the cold water right there. And I mean it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's boiling water.
Yeah, it's right. And I let it sit.
So about how long you gonna let it sit?
About 4 to 5 minutes, because I'm gonna have the cold water there. This is still heating up. I don't want it to get too hot. It seems good. So this is just a non-stick skillet, but people will use their the black skillet, the cast iron. You know, if that's your thing or whatever, that's fine. But it can be simply done.
Okay.
But you can get your brownish just right, and this heats very evenly. So
All right.
let the grease get just right.
So this weight we said about 4 to 5.
4 to 5 minutes. It's that long. As soon as I can start handling it and the grease is hot enough, I'll be ready to go.
Okay.
This will just be for me to lift. But my hands will be dipped cold so I can manipulate it without burning my hands. But it cannot get cold. This cannot get cold, the mixture.
Cannot get cold. Okay.
All right. It's cool enough. So I'm just gonna go in.
That's cold water.
Yep. It's great. About the size of one. Yep. So look at that. That cold water. Okay.
All right.
And I gotta move as fast as I can.
Yep.
And try to get them all in.
Okay.
The next pieces I can hold there. Yeah. It's basically pretty cool now.
Mm-hmm.
Just filling it and loving it. Oh yeah. Definitely don't want too many pieces because then the edges won't do that little brown thing like on the side.
Right.
I'm gonna go for 5 because my intention is cooking 10.
Okay.
Touch. They're all separate. You all put their own balance. That's a little get over there. Skip it. Okay. I'll probably give them about 3 to 4 minutes when I lift them. If they got their substance on the bottom like a pancake that can hold itself, then I know it's time to turn them off.
Okay.
If I think they're cooking too fast, I just slow them down and make sure that the inside gonna all be automatically done and then the cornbread. Just making it simple. I'm excited.
Me too.
Yep. So I didn't measure it out, but I would say I used about 2 cups.
About 2 cups
2
of milk.
cups of milk.
Okay.
And the water expanded it, so I was going for 10 pieces. And I'm gonna make it easily, so yeah, it's 5 of us. Yeah. That's
Okay.
2 pieces apiece.
2 pieces a
Yeah.
piece. Take care
But
of
they
it.
cook inside out in that pot. That's 18 halves. So that's 6 pig feet cut in
Told y'all we eat Southern.
half. We don't have to eat it every day, but we know it ain't nothing but cooked with love. That's why I call it food for the soul. Is that right, Chris?
That's right. Food for the soul.
Mhm.
That's what it is.
Mhm.
So we just, like we say, we don't eat it every day, but we eat it to honor our ancestors who did have to eat it every day. They did, and they didn't have running water. They didn't, they had to make do. So we eat it to honor them. All right. Thank you, Dr. King. We're out here living the dream, standing on the shoulders of giants.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
That's us. Get in there, partner. We'll make it. That's the
And
man.
it's
of the
definitely
house.
amen.
Amen and amen.
I know the king. Long live the king.
Yeah, that's the king.
Yeah.
I got a tester, Craig.
All right.
That was the first one in. So I just tested to see how his outside is spitting. Your babies go first. Yeah. And let them get a little brown. Tickle those are bigger.
Oh, if this was smell-o-vision. I know y'all want one.
So that was about 3 minutes.
See, she got a can of spinach, look.
Yes, it's good. Now, some people will, and I have too, put a little smidgen of butter in there to let it brown it quicker, but not necessary. But it's good. Yeah.
Yes, I love water
Yep, there it is. So she's got 5 minutes and she's a donor. And the next batch is still warm, so I won't have to do all the extra dipping, just enough to, to keep it from sticking to my hand.
Yeah, I'll take it long, then I'm not.
Okay, so they're getting brown.
So we're still about.
Let's see. I don't know on the other side. Yeah, I'll see. Yeah.
This iPhone 11 is just.
Yeah. So when I get these out, put it how fast it is to put the next batch in. We got 2 minutes.
Alright, got about 2 minutes. Got the rack ready, so the grease will drip down. Don't want to stack them up. Let them sit flat. I call it drying, but you know.
Yeah. That's so easy. I can hear the grease done subsided.
Yeah, that's always a trick she told me. When it's not making as much noise.
That's all that fried chicken. We've got like 1 minute. Okay, get ready to get these rascals ready. I want some ingredients. Check and make sure, see if I need a little more oil.
That's the first batch.
Yeah.
Put a little more oil in.
Yep, a little more oil. Make sure these rascals is wet enough under the bottom. That now is just like I said to make sure that the meal don't stick to my hand when I go in. At first, remember, it was to keep my hands and the meal, you know, keep my hands cool. There you go.
That's it. Y'all saw that part. So when we come back, we'll show you what's in this pot. If we know you're wondering what's in that pot.
See, they're still wet. So I say these got about 5.
You said they cooking faster than the others.
The outside is.
Okay.
I gotta get it inside. Time.
You heard that. The grease is hot.
So, need them to go a little bit longer.
Alright. There's some baby still sitting.
They tasteable now. Because they cook faster, I turned them on. To try to get them out. You see them, they all about red. Yeah.
These been cooking probably about what, 3-4 minutes? 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 to 6.
5 to 6, 5 to 6.
Yeah.
But you really just gotta watch them, listen for your grease sound.
Yeah. Once they brown on the outside, it's just hot meal. So go for it.
All right, y'all coming up next. What's in that pot?
Baby bear, baby bear. What you talking about, pretty?
What's in that pot?
Gotta get a pop.
All right.
That's all I know.
That's all she knows.
That's all I know. That's all I've been taught. I wipe my skillet.
That's it.
That's it.
Now, pierce their resistance. Show them what's in that pot, sister. Show them what's in that pot.
Do they want to make a deal? I'm pure.
Nothing but pig
trotters, baby.
Trotters, the
Yes,
foot. If you don't like it,
yes,
turn it off now.
Yes.
But yes, we're having pig feet
They
today.
look lovely. I'm ready.
I'm ready. You ready?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Y'all enjoy it? Let us know if you have any questions. That's what's in the pot.
All right.
Give me a piece, love, so I can be on the video. I look and
It looks good.
it like this.
Is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you've had some worse than this because sometimes I don't feel like it. I just have to do it, but I was on TV. I had to get it, make sure. You've had some
Ain't
worse.
mad at you.
Okie dokie, my friends. That's it. We're done. You saw it right there. You saw the taste test.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
good. So I'm getting ready to sit down and eat.
Oh my
Again, we
goodness.
hope you enjoyed that video. We'll be back with more. She's retiring, y'all. She's
All
retiring
right,
this
after
year.
these misses,
We gotta
I
have
eat it
more.
right back.
We have more and more cooking videos. So let us know down below. What else do you want to see? That's it. I'm
Feel
done.
bad, something.
Take care of yourselves. As always, no fear and no regrets. You're awesome. You're awesome. You're awesome. You're awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Tell them bye.
Be kind to one another.
Love ya.
Bye.
Bye. That's it.
Happy King Day and oh my goodness.
Oh my
Some
goodness.
is.
Get you some.